Here's something that is more important if you want to max out what you're selling your business for. So every business goes through different stages, right? You have your startup stage. This is probably when you're starting your business out. Maybe you got a couple of trucks in your driveway. You love getting your 2 a.m. water losses. You're just getting going, right? And then you're starting to build a team. And this is when you start to get into a little bit of a growth phase. Now you're probably moving to 12, 1,500, 2,000 square foot warehouse. You've got a couple of people in the office. You're starting to get some momentum. And then you start getting into what I call a hyper growth phase. All right? This is when all the systems, everything you've put in place over the first 4 or 5 years is starting to click. They're starting to gel. And you get in a hyper growth phase. In this phase, it's fantastic. You're feeling great, great confidence. Your team is growing. Your revenue is growing. Your profits are growing. And then after a while, you get saturated in your marketplace, and then your business will start to plateau. Okay? So here's more important than timing the market. All right? There's always buyers for great businesses, whether we're in a recession or whether the economy is doing really well. Those are things that are almost out of our control. Here's what I want you to focus on, is really understand which part of the cycle your business is. And the best time to sell a business is when it's growing. It's right there where I'm going to draw the box. Okay, that is when your business is valued the most, and a buyer will pay you more dollars for every dollar profit that you could show. So yes, we want to be concerned about the markets. We want to be concerned about the interest rates and what the timing are. But a lot of those things we cannot control. What we can control is how we grow our business and when we exit to maximize our dollars, right? So that's really what I would much prefer you focus on.